In this new release, the first important new feature is the tag function in the model maker. You can access it through the admin menu in the tag submenu. Here you can add new tags. We automatically assign a color, but if you want, you can choose a new color for yourself. We indicate if a color is already in use. If you like a completely custom color, you can set that for yourself and then add your tag. You can modify the color later, as well as easily rename the tag. If needed, you can also delete your new tag. Once you have created your new tags, you can navigate to cubes and rules, dimensions, and open a dimension, but also subsets, processes, chores, MDX. Everything can be assigned to tags. Now, I'm going to assign this process to one of my tags, which will be the UI tag. And now it is assigned to my UI tag. Down here, I can say that I only want to filter for my UI tags or for my cost tag, which currently has nothing in it. But if I say that this belongs to both UI and cost, I can do both, and it will appear under both. We can also assign a queue and say this also belongs to the UI tag, and it will be filtered here as well. If you have set your tag filter, we will remember it when switching between menu items. If you decide along the way that you need a new tag, you can use the Manage Tags button to navigate back here. You can create a new one, and here we also list the different processes, cubes, and dimensions for you. If necessary, you can open it in a new tab with a single click, and we navigate to that specific element. The next feature is the scripts menu in the model maker. Here you can say Python scripts that you can run, but you can also add any other text file, YAML file, or whatever you need. You can simply create a new Python file with the New File button. But if you want, you can create a new folder. And within this folder, if we click here, we can create a file within this folder. And within this folder, we can create new folders and build a complete structure. If necessary, we can delete the folder in its entire content or just the file itself. In this example, the tum1_runtime_test.py script checks what cubes and dimensions are in the given model, and it imports functions from another Python file, cedar_runtime. So this is also possible, to define what we want in one Python file and then call it from another. If I run it, we see running script on the right side, and we get our results back. Additionally, another feature, a small modification in the interface builder, is that for image widgets, we now list the file locations. And that's all. Thanks for watching.